Good night, my name is Nimrod Guaida, and this is a video for CIT336 for enhancement number 1. Now I'm going to show my template. Here is my template. As we can see, the HTML is has no errors, and the same with the local CSS. I'm going to close those, and now I'm going to show my main page, my home page. We are going to see the validation of the CSS. It's valid, and the HTML, which is also valid. Now we are going to see how it works in a responsive way. As we can see, the background in the main image changes, and as we can see in this part, when I resize, we can see how it works, how the responsive way works. And well, thank you for seeing this video, and bye.